These are all 1 kilogram of fried peanuts with lots of organic native garlics. Now we can eat. Let's eat everyone. Peanuts. Bismillah wala barakatuh. Sarap. I ordered this one last month ago when Mariam Japanese she came here. So just now I uh, cook this one, but before I have to cook with lots of garlics, I have to dry first in sun for 1 to 2 days. So when you make fry, then it will become more crunchy. So this is 1 kilogram, so I will put here and I will dry it. Yan. These are organic native garlics. There is still too much there down because still we did not plant because always raining. So, ayan ang lalaki. What I will do for this one is I will remove the skin, yung balat, and then I have to cook these peanuts. I bought this one last month ago from Rawalpindi from Amna Farok. Then when Japanese came here last month, she bring also this one. So this is 1 kilogram. I put in sun for 2 to 3 days so it will become more crispy. So I will put more garlics to cook this one. Yan. Para may kutkutin. Sanggipin ang laki. Oh. I put more garlic so it will more tasty. This is enough. I use 3 big cloves of native garlics. Yan. But big like this. Like this. So this is enough for 1 kilogram of peanuts. Let's start now to cook or fry these peanuts. So oil is already hot. I think too much oil I put here. Maybe too much oil I put. So no problem. And now we can put now this organic native garlic. Yeah. Now we have to brown this one. Then we have to put this one. This is a spoon of my non-stick wok kitchenware. But this is plastic, so better I use this one. Then I will add also chili chili powder, little chili powder, so little bit spicy my fried peanuts and salt. It's raining, always raining, because this month of July is almost every day raining. Today is April, sorry, bakit naging April na? July 16 and today is Wednesday. Time check, Pakistan time is 2, I think 2:20 p.m. As you can see, as you can hear the sound, it's raining. Drops raining from the, yung sa yero ba, yung sa tin. Yan. Wait natin maging brown ito. Slices of garlic is already brown. Now we can put now this one. The reason why I dry this peanuts, sun drying, is it become more crispy or crunchy. Alhamdulillah, I cook again and fried these peanuts after I think 7 or more than 8 years. Because last 8 years ago, I cook also this kind of fried peanuts. Cooking or frying peanuts. As you can see, too much organic native garlics. I think I put too much oil here, but it's no problem. Now I will put now this chili powder and salt. Ayan, para medyo spicy. Now we can remove one piece if already crunchy or cooked, and if salt is enough. So I can turn off now the flame. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Still not cooked or crunchy. And salt is not enough also. So I cook more. Slow fire. It's already cooked. So I have to turn off now the flame. Then I let to become cold and then I will put her in bottle. But I think this is not enough. Because I already taste, now it's become crunchy or crispy. And also this garlic, slices of garlics. And the taste is good. Salt is enough. Very tasty garlics, brown garlics, fried garlics with peanuts. Mm.